Alright, so as you guys know, I will be switching to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Or I won't even say switching because I'm probably just going to have two phones this year. I kind of made that conscious decision. I need the best of both worlds, man. For all my Apple people and for all my Samsung people, I need you to bring you guys together. There's too much feuding right now. There's too much saying this on one side and saying this on the other side. I need to bring you guys together. So I'm probably, from here on out, I'm going to be getting both phones. Whatever the new iPhone is and whatever the new Samsung phone is. In particular, the Fold. I like the Galaxy Z Fold series. You guys know I skipped the 4. I had the 3. I'll be going back to the 5. And barring any, if there is some significant upgrade to the iPhone 15 from the 14, then I'll be getting that. If there's no significant upgrade, it's kind of a waste, but I might just get it anyway. Just to have both, because I made that decision. Anyways, I got distracted. We're on techradar.com, and speaking of Galaxy Z Folds, apparently the Z Fold 5 could feature a huge camera upgrade over the Z Fold 4, is what it says. Listen, if you're in the phone market, you somewhat tech savvy, you know about phones, you take interest in phones every year. This is a given. This is nothing new. This is not surprising. This is the headline every year with whether it be a Samsung phone, an Apple phone, Google phone, whatever. This is the headline every year. It's like, dude, can you entice me with a new feature? Come on. We already know the camera should be upgraded. They're making it seem like the phones are just cameras at the end of the day. Obviously, there's more to it than that, but they always emphasize the main features. Oh, it's going to get a big camera bump. Cool, we get it. I appreciate it, but that's not the only thing that we're looking for. But anyways, let me get off. Calm down. Woosah. It's a good day to have a great day. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 could feature a huge camera upgrade over Z Fold 4. We know that. Now on the way, rumors are coming thick and fast. The latest speculation concerns upcoming foldable camera setup. Could swap out a 50 megapixel rear camera utilized by the predecessor, the 4, for a more powerful. Here we go. This is the juicy stuff. This is what I was looking for, because I'm not trying to read this whole article to you guys. The Z Fold 4 had a 50 megapixel rear camera. The Z Fold 5 could have much more powerful 108 megapixel rear sensor, similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It also says the Pixel also suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could feature a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra wide snapper. The setup would trump the Galaxy Z Fold 4's 10 megapixel telephoto sensor, but lose out on the latter's 3x optical zoom. Yeah, it is what it is. What do you guys think about that? You can, have more power on one end, but you lose it a little bit on another end. Again, if you're very interested in cameras, and I get it, a lot of people, we take a lot of videos, a lot of pictures. It's kind of normal. You utilize that camera feature a lot. But it seems like a significant jump for most people to kind of notice it. And that's the main thing. Will you notice this upgrade? But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That will pique my interest. And I miss my folding phone. I miss my baby. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you getting the Fold phone this year? Do you have one? What do you think of it? What did you like about it? What do you like about it? Tell me. I need to know these things. I need to know because I care. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.